The best way to work this problem is not to physically graph the floor for inequalities, but to come over here and use your Desmos graphing calculator. Now we'll use the graphing calculator in order to find our corner points, but when it comes to the exam, I will give you a pre-made graph. You will not have access to the graphing calculator, nor will you have to create it on your own. The nice thing about this graphing is we do not have to solve for y when we want to create these inequalities. So I'm just going to type these in over here on the right side. Using your keyboard on your computer, you will just do, like, the second one is 7x plus 2y. I'm going to choose less than, and then I'm going to do my equal button, equals, and you can see it automatically puts it together for me. You do need to include your bottom two inequalities, so x being greater than or equal to 0, as well as y being greater than or equal to 0. Once you have all four of your inequalities, like you see in the problem, you'll be able to see what your graph looks like. So let's look at that together. You can see that I've created kind of a trapezoidal shape, and it's asking me to draw the polygon. What you want to do is, if you'll go to the intersection of these lines, you can click on it and it will tell you the exact point where they cross. So I can see the top point is at 0, 9. I can come over here and I can see this point is at 6, 7. And then I see this one is at 8, 0. And then the bottom one is at 0, 0. So I'm going to come back to my assignment. I'm going to click on polygon, and that's how I'm going to graph this. So I had a point at 0, 9, so I'm going to click at 0, 9. And then I had another point over here at 6, 7, so I'll go to 6, 7. And then I'm at 8, 0. And then I'll click on 0, 0. And then I'll click back at 9, 0. So you can see using the Desmos graphing calculator helps me to graph all four, find my corner points, which is where our minimums or maximums are occurring. We'll look at that later. And then I'm able to use my polygon. You'll click all four sides, and then it will shade in between. Hope this helps.